The news that's breaking at the top of the hour. According to sources in the Maharashtra government, the state government is set to launch criminal proceedings against Lavasa Corporation. According to our sources, the state government will seek prosecution of top Lavasa officials under the Environment Protection Act. The Maharashtra government is also likely to make this move any time this week. Let's go straight across to Mumbai. Our Mumbai Bureau Chief Smita Nair has more information. Smita, this is going to be big news. Lavasa, a very high-profile project. Its promoters have important friends in the political circle. So this is going to be making big news across Mumbai.
And political circles in Maharashtra, NCP Chief Sharad Pawar, Union Agriculture Minister there at the centre, remember, has in fact come out strongly in the past on this action or proposed action against the Lavasa Corporation. What we are hearing by way of sources in the Chief Minister's office, as you pointed out, Parul, is the fact that the Maharashtra government, as per the MOEF order, as per the preconditions that need to be satisfied, as per the Bombay High Court hearing last time around, will in fact be initiating criminal proceedings against top officials of Lavasa Corporation Limited. When we asked a specific question to our source on whether it will also mean Mr. Ajit Gulabchand himself, we don't have clarity on that. It could or could not. If this case in fact is resolved, once the Maharashtra High Court approaches, one understands the District Court of Pune initiating criminal proceedings against top officials of the Lavasa Corporation Limited, and a conviction comes to the fine for that is anywhere between 5 lakh rupees possibly, and imprisonment for 5 years as well. But really the crux of the matter right now is that this process for Lavasa Corporation to go ahead and complete construction could be pushed further and further, because the Bombay High Court, which is hearing a separate case, remember, will go ahead only once this case in the Pune District Court, once the Maharashtra government approaches it, will in fact be sorted out. Lavasa Corporation on its part has repeatedly been maintaining that it is not covered under the Environment Protection Notification of 2006. The MOEF really of a contrary view, that view now being concurred by the Maharashtra government as well, that confirms to us this morning it will indeed be initiating criminal proceedings against top officials of Lavasa Corporation Limited, and that could in fact happen possibly in the next 48 hours, Parul.
Would you say then the hand of the state government seems to have been forced in some sense by the courts here?
One could say that. Remember, the Maharashtra government has been pretty non-committal. No official of the Maharashtra government really coming on record to speak about the matter, given, as you rightly pointed out, the fact that some see that Lavasa Corporation Limited and the project there was seen by many as a pet project of Union Agriculture Minister and NCP Chief Sharad Pawar. What my source in the Maharashtra government, who confirmed this news this morning, tells me is that, look, we had very little option. This is, in a sense, being done on the directive of the MOEF. This, of course, happening the first time when Jairam Ramesh was Environment Minister. His successor in the Environment Ministry, Jayanti Natarajan, pretty much taking the same line that he had adopted with regard to Lavasa Corporation, despite the fact that it had the backing, as we're seeing, of a powerful union minister.
Smita Nair, thanks very much for that information. So, prosecution likely for promoters of Lavasa, that was to be India's first planned hill city.